Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I am going to be doing a quick Valentine's Day eye look. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day eye look, and the palette of choice for today is the Natasha Denona Love palette, which is this beautiful baby right here. She looks like this. Very, very beautiful, Valentine appropriate-ish colors. So yeah, I'm gonna be creating an eye look with this. This palette came out, I want to say maybe 2-3 years ago. It was on the Sephora website, but I'm not sure what happened. When it first launched, it did say it was limited edition, but I'm not sure because it stuck around for a couple of years. But anyways, why don't we just jump into the eye tutorial. So as usual, the eyebrows are done with nothing new. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and the dual powder, both in Ebony. I used the Brow Wiz to outline and then the dual powder to fill them in. Then I used MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre to carve the bottom of the eyebrow and prime the lids, which I have done so far. And now I'm gonna jump into the palette. So I'm going to grab my big jumbo size eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade first, which is this light pinky tone shade, and I'm going to apply that all over the brow bone for that lifted effect, and also set the entire eye so I can help blend the other shadows that we're gonna use. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using this big, I want to say crease brush from the I Love Juvia's Place. It's a really pointed eye brush that will fit nicely in the crease. So first I'm gonna go in with the shade Soul, which is this nice pinky shade right in the corner, and I'm gonna apply that to the transition or the crease. I'm just gonna apply it here, and then I'm just gonna blend it out by swiping back and forth, and I'm gonna turn my brush to help it blend even more. Alright, now I'm going to use a more fluffy blending brush. I'm going to be using this brush J3 from the e.l.f. x J Kissa collection, and I'm going to go into the shade of Valentine's, and I'm going to use that shade in the brow bone here so I can help blend that shade out just a tad bit. Alrighty, so that's what those two shades look like. As you can see, that Valentine's, that light pale pink, was able to help me blend that crease color. Now I'm going to go into the shade Trust, which is this nice eggplant purple shade, and I'm going to use this in the outer part of the crease, the lid, not crease. I'm going to put this in this outer part right here, like so, and then whatever I have left, just blend it upwards. Alrighty, so Now I'm going to go in with a glitter glue, and for that I'm going to be using the McGrath Intensify Eyes Artistry wands, and I'm going to apply this to the empty space in the lid. And now I think I'm going to go in with the shade Giving, which is this beautiful like pinky tone right here. And I'm going to use that shade Giving with the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill JH41, which is just like a small shader brush. And I'm going to go into that shade and apply it all over the lid. Alrighty, so that's what that shade looks like. Now I'm going to use that same shader brush, but I'm going to clean it off a little bit. And now I'm going to use this beautiful purple shade called Dream right here. And I'm going to use that right in the middle to blend out the Trust, which is this purple color, with the Giving color. So like right here. And look how pretty. Now I'm going to go into that other brush, the one we used for that eggplant color, Trust. And I'm just going to blend it into that purple, just to make sure there are no harsh lines. Alright. Then I'm going to use the e.l.f. times J Kissa, the J2 brush, and I'm just going to run it through the crease with no additional product. I want to make sure that I don't lose my colors, so you can see a nice grading effect of colors. And finally, I'm just going to go in again with the e.l.f. times J Kissa J3 blending brush, the one we use, that Valentine's pale pink shade, and I'm just gonna run it through the crease. Make sure everything is blended. I apologize for the rusty voice. I feel like I'm getting sick, and that's not fun. So yeah, sorry. This is what the eyes look. Now I'm gonna jump off camera, do the face. I'm probably gonna add some natural lashes, because why not? And then I'll come back and show you the final results, so stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it's so pretty. I think it's so girly, and I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna try to do a few more Valentine's Day looks with different colors, bold lips. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's eye tutorial. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.